He had learned how to survive, but he had forgotten how it felt to be cared for.
I'm not hungry anymore. I'm just empty.
Mom, Dad, I waited. I really did.
I don't wait anymore.
You don't need to hide. Everyone leaves anyway.
Please, don't hurt me. I don't have anything left.
Why? I'm not strong anymore. I can't protect anyone. So why are you kind to me? This hurts more than being alone. I forgot how this feels.
Please don't disappear.
He wasn't saved that day, but for the first time, he remembered he mattered.